Recently, my parents purchased e-bikes for themselves and they have enjoyed riding them, but these bikes do not come with a rear view mirror, and for safety's sake they decided to add them. So I'm going to show you how to install them onto your e-bike, and I'll post a link in the description for these affordable and highly rated mirrors. Now, other videos on YouTube on how to install the mirrors show them using an X-Acto knife to cut the rubber from the ends of the handlebars. Not only does this leave an uneven cut, it is potentially a great way to cut yourself, so it was a no to using the X-Acto knife. Instead, the easiest way to do it is most likely already in your tool chest. Comparing the sizes of drill bits, we found that this 5/8 inch wood drill bit was perfect. In just a few seconds, it cut the perfect size circle. In a few seconds more, the hole was complete, allowing the mirror to slip right in. Using the Allen wrench that came with the mirror package, the entire job was finished. And there you have it. I hope you found this to be a fast and easy way of installing your mirror. Thanks for watching. Be safe out there, guys.